Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling tips in X. Sometimes, those helpful tips can become a bit overwhelming, so we'll show you how to turn them off. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X app on your device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Look for the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually represented by a profile picture or an avatar. Step 3. Tap on the profile option. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 4. Tap on your header picture. Locate your header picture, often displayed at the top of your profile page, and tap on it to access the editing options. Step 5. Tap on Edit Profile. This will open up the Profile Editing section, where you can make changes to your profile information. Step 6. Tap on Tips. Scroll down until you find the Tips section. It's usually located under the Bio or Personal Details area. Step 7. Disable Allow Tips. Toggle off the Allow Tips option to disable the Tips feature. And just like that, you've successfully disabled tips in X. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined experience without those constant notifications.